Happy Monday. We're going to start with rhyme recognition. I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to repeat the 2 words that rhyme. Okay? Tie, cry, maid. Tie, cry. Good. Mask, task, see. Mask, task. Do, camp, lamp. Camp, lamp. My, me, tea. Me, tea. Fall, put, mall. Fall, mall. Came, right, same. Came, same. Good job. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say a series of words. You listen and say what they all start with, the sound, okay? Gift, gate, golden. Go. So when I put my hands out, that's your turn to say it, and then I'm going to say it. Make sure you got it right. Ask, actor, apple. Ah. Kind, kettle, keep. K. Idea, icicle, ivy. I. Heavy, help, hand. H. Good. Okay, we're going to blend. We have 3 sounds, so I'm going to say k, a, p. And then when I put together, that's your turn to blend them. So we would say k, a, p, and you would say cap. Okay? K, ape, cape. And I'll repeat, make sure you got it right. L, s, less. P, I, k, pike. T, b, tub. T, oat, tote. D, k, duck. P, p, pop. Good job. Okay, we're going to isolate the final sound. I'm going to say a series of words. You repeat the 2 words that end with the same sound. This is tricky, almost like a test. So I'm going to say case, road, hide. And you would say road, hide, because they both end with d. Okay? So I'm going to say the 3 words. I'll go like this for you to say the 2 words, and then I'll give the answer. Toss, glass, net. And I hope you said toss, glass. Soap, rain, top. Soap, top. Tab, leaf, off. Leaf, off. Dark, bike, race. Dark, bike. Good. Some of these are hard and new, so it's okay if you don't get them all right the first time, okay? We're segmenting, get those choppers out. There's 3 parts to our word, so we're going to chop 3 times. I'm going to say the word, and then when I chop, you are chopping up the word. For example, if I said name, you would say name, and then you would go Okay, so let's see if we can do this. Home. Good. And every once in a while, I'll do them just to make sure you're getting them correctly. Beam. Lead. Make. neck, fuzz, fuzz. Okay, good job. We're going to add initial phonemes. That means the part to the beginning, okay? We're starting with oat. Add k to the beginning, and the word is k, oat, coat, okay? We're starting with ite. Add b to the beginning, and the word is bite. We're starting with ift. Add g to the beginning, and the word is gift. We're starting with L. Add w to the beginning, and the word is well. We're starting with ache. Add to the beginning, and the word is make. Good job. Now we're going to delete. We have the word hunt without h. What's left? Unt. We have the word fox without f. What's left? Ox. We have the word dime without d. What's left? I'm. We have the word sand without s. What's left? And. We have the word cube without k. What's left? Ube. Good job. Okay, we're doing substituting. Means we have the word and I'm changing and putting in a new sound at the beginning, okay? We have the word keep. Change k to h, and the word is h-eep, heap. We have the word heap. Change h to ul, and the word is leap. We have the word pond. Change p to b, and the word is bond, bond. We have the word night. Change n to s, and the word is sight. We have the word roll. Change to p, and the word is pole, pole. Good. Okay, and we do not have any nursery rhymes this week. So, if you think of one that you want to do, I will just have you do it. See you tomorrow.